Hello all. In this particular lecture, what I'll do is I'll model a reheat Rankine cycle using CyclePad. So in case of reheating, you are having this boiler, then turbine, partial expansion in one turbine, and then you have your reheater, then the low pressure turbine, then the condenser, then pump, and that's it. So that is what I have done here. This is the boiler, this is the turbine, this is reheater, this is your low pressure turbine, this is condenser, and this is pump. Nothing else. All the components are the same which I have used in the previous video. That is, boiler means this one, heater, turbine is turbine, then reheater is again your basically heater only, condenser is this cooler, and then pump is this pump, and that's it. So now we can go to analyze mode, and we will be using the same parameters. That is, the boiler pressure is 150 bar, condenser pressure is let's say how much it is, 60 bar, and this is reheat pressure, condenser pressure is 1 bar, and the temperature at the inlet of turbine is 550. So let us do it. So here it is boiler, so we'll assume it to be isobaric. The same thing we'll do with condenser. We'll also assume it to be isobaric, and this reheater also we'll assume this to be acting isobarically. Then comes the turbine, so it should be reversible adiabatic, so adiabatically, and then isentropically. The same thing is with this turbine, so this is isentropically and then adiabatically. Okay, the pump also, and then adiabatically and isentropically. Last lecture, what I have forgotten to tell you, that if you want the turbine to be acting as a real turbine, that means with some efficiencies, then you are having this particular in this window. You can give this isentropic efficiency. Right now it is 100%. So if you want, then you can give the efficiency also. So let us start giving the parameters. So at the inlet it is 150 bar and 550 degrees Celsius. So this is substance. First we have to select, it is water, then the temperature is 550 degrees Celsius and the pressure is 150 bar. Oh, we have to select the pressure. Okay, so let us do what? Let us edit it first and change the units. So units we are changing to pressure to bar. Okay, now the pressure is 150 bar. Once this is done, everything will be evaluated. Now let us select mass flow rate as 1. Then at the exit of the first turbine, what I can give is, if you look here, this this we can give the pressure. That means the reheat pressure, which is nothing but 60 bar. So if you come here and you give the pressure as 60 bar, so I think every parameter will be evaluated. Yes. So 0.2, let us keep it here. Okay, so 0.1 and 0.2 done. Then at the exit of this particular reheater, I am assuming the temperature, if you look here, I am assuming the temperature to be nothing but the temperature of the exit temperature of the boiler, the same. That means 550. So let us do it. So the temperature I am assuming it to be 550. Done. So point number 3 is also over. Now comes point number 4. That means the low pressure turbine exit. So now low pressure turbine exit, if you look, so first what you have to do, you just have to supply the condenser pressure. So what is the condenser pressure? The condenser pressure was 1 bar. So let us give it 1 bar and done. So now comes the condenser exit. So condenser exit will be saturated. So we have to select the phase. So it is saturated, and then the dryness fraction assume it to be 0. Okay. Once this has been done, then comes pump. So this is the pump. Now you can see every parameter has been evaluated. Now we'll go to cycle properties and assume a value. That means make the model, and this is heat engine. Voila, you got it. So now let us compare one by one. So what we'll do is we will snip this and bring this there so that you can compare. So now if you look, the thermal efficiency of the cycle is coming out as 37.09. Okay, it is 37.1 in the Excel, very close. Then the network output is 1259 kilowatt, and it is 1259 kilowatt. Then the heat input is 3393, so it is 3394, very close again. So you can see that how close this particular software gives the result, even approximately very close, even we can say correct. Okay, now if you want, you can also see how this particular cycle looks in PV or TS diagram. So that is how the cycle looks, and this is what we have also drawn in Excel. Look here, same thing, this and this. So in this way, friends, you can use your CyclePad software efficiently without any problem and solve your academic problems. So in this lecture, till this point only. In the next lecture, we will be learning about reheat Rankine cycle. Thank you very much for watching it.